In this video, we are going to see how we can use the substitute function in order to replace a specific text with another specific text. So right now we have the search and substitute formula, but we will use the search formula later on. Let me just paste it right here and let's move this up. So substitute, let's say that this is the text fully converted, but I have to use it in a particular formula, or let's say I have to name the ranges. So this means the spaces needs to be replaced by underscores. How will we do it? We'll use a substitute formula for that. Equals to substitute. The text reference needs to be selected, so I will select this one. Old text, I'll just put an inverted commas, give a space, inverted commas close. That means the old text that we need to replace is space, comma. The new text is inverted commas open, underscore, and inverted commas close. This means space needs to be replaced with underscores. Hit enter and instantly all the text will be converted into the new text. So this is a simple example of the substitute formula. In future, when we will see all the complex scenarios, these formulas will also be used as a part of bigger assignments. So just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.